Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Isn't it cute? I love it, the little snail and the toadstools and oh, it's just so cute. So let me show you how I did it. I have everything already in my Stamparatus, and this is the stamps that we're going to use called Snailed It. I'm going to use this one that says you've got mail, the little mushrooms, and then this hello and the speech bubble. So let's stamp. We're going to stamp in Memento, but we're going to colour in using our wonderful Stampin' Blend alcohol markers that I absolutely love. As you know, I love to colour in, so Stampin' Blend alcohol markers, watercolouring right up my road. So let's just stamp it here. I've got everything in my Stamparatus so I can stamp everything in one go. So let's just give it another ink up to get a really nice black image. And put this down and give it a good press. There we go, lovely. So now, actually leave that there. I'm going to take my simple chamois and work its magic and clean up all my stamps so they're nice and all clean. I love this thing. It's not dirty actually, I've cleaned it, it's just stained, and as you can see it still works absolutely brilliantly. It is one of my most favourite tools for absolute certainty. Now in this little speech bubble I'm going to put the word hello like that, pick that up with that, give it its ink up. So I just re-stamped the hello to get it right. So now we're going to colour everything in. So I'm just going to bring you in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. And I'm going to colour in with a few colours here. Excuse the noise. I've got Petal Pink, Real Red that's trying to run away. What's this one? Daffodil Delight and Old Olive, and these sort of match the colours that are in the designer series paper, excuse me, that you can see here. So I'm going to colour everything in, so I'm going to put you on fast forward while I do it, and once I've coloured it in I'm going to cut everything out using the matching here Snailed dies, and when I've done all of that I'll see you again. Okay, so everything's cut out, and I did cut out a square out of this designer series paper, and this is the Snailed designer series paper, and it matches the stamp set and the dies, and it is gorgeous. So I'm just going to stick it down onto my card base, which is Bermuda Bay, and this is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half, and I'm just going to line this up hopefully and stick that down like that. Okay, and now we're going to decide on the placement of our bits. So we've got our little snail. I think I want this one like before to come out of here. Let's see, maybe like that. Yeah, like that. So let's stick it down, and I'm going to use some Tombow. Let's see if there's anything left in this Tombow. Yep, there is. That's good. Sometimes you think your Tombow's ended and then you just leave it standing upside down for a while and more comes out, so don't always think that it's finished. There might be more left in there. So there, I've got that, and then I've got my little toadstool, and I know I want this popped up, so I've put dimensionals on the back already, so I've just got to take the backings off it. Okay, yeah. I'm quite generous and right dimensional, so there's lots of backs to come off. Only by putting my hands in the back to see if it's sticky. Do I know if I've taken the backs off? Let's see. Where do we want this? Do you want this up? Or, yeah, let's see him sort of coming out from behind the toadstool like that this time. And then in this big white, well, not white space, blue space, whatever you want to call it, green space, Bermuda Bay space, we're going to stick the hello. At an angle or straight? Straight, I think, for me. I don't know. Maybe yes, at an angle. Like that. Hello. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Get rid of these backings before they go everywhere. And last but not least, I have some of these resin heart embellishments. I'm going to use this one little red heart here, and I'm going to put it on the heart of his envelope here, just to give it a little extra something something. And there we go, our 2 little snaily cards. What do you think? I love them. I think they're just so darling and cute. If you enjoyed this card, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop, measurements, etc., it'll all be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes the links to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, so do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!